Let's take a look at another example dealing with critical values. So here we want to find a value of z sub 0.10 divided by 2. So this is basically alpha divided by 2. And if we take 0.10 and divide by 2, that's the same thing as z sub 0.05. So we're looking for the z-score that separates an area on the right tail of our distribution, and that area is 0.05. So let me shade in an area on the right side of our distribution here. That is approximately 0.05. So that's this red shaded region here on the right. So that has an area of alpha divided by 2 of 0.05. Okay, so if you're using the z-table to find this z-score, z sub 0.05, then we need to first figure out what the area to the left of that red region is. So I'll use green here to shade in the area to the left of 0.05. So to find the area of this green shaded region, we simply take 1 and subtract our alpha divided by 2. Or in this problem, that's 1 minus 0.05. And that will give us 0.95. So that is the area that we are going to search for in the table. So if we go to the table here, you'll see that the first decimal that rounds to 0.95 is 0.9495, and that corresponds to a z-score of 1.64. So this tells us that the critical value for z sub 0.05 is a critical value of 1.64. Now I'll show you how to do this on the calculator. So on your calculator, you're going to go to second vars again. It's going to take you to the distributions, and you want to choose the third option, inverse norm. Notice that we're going to type in the area to the left of our alpha region, so that's 1 minus 0.05. And then again, note that our population mean and standard deviation is 0 and 1 respectively, because we're on the standard normal distribution. And when you press enter, hopefully you'll see that you get the same answer, 1.64.